Yo, what up, everybody? So, I lied. Today, I got another haul from Sense. I said I wasn't gonna be buying any more of this. Maya, this is a knife. Can you be careful, bro? She's like, oh, can I smell that sharp edge there? Ha ha ha. No. Yeah, so I said I wasn't gonna buy any more from Sense, but you know, I can't stop myself. The sales are too good and the products are too fire, like over 60% off on some stuff. Like, how can you turn that down? I don't need any of that nonsense. Okay. So, as usual, I go through the items first and then I do a try on and then a preview. You can check the timestamps in the description if you are interested. Yeah, let's go. Let's jump into it. Oh, they wrapped all of them in one? And then, oh, the other items on the side here. Oh, these are two. Oh, okay. Okay, first item, I got this shirt from Levi's, and the main reason I copped it is because it's made of hemp, and if you don't already know, if you haven't watched my content, I'm really into that hemp quality products. So we got Levi's Sunset, One Pocket Standard, Starfruit Caviar, Large. So it's Starfruit design. I really like the Starfruit design also. So I was like, oh, it's actually like pretty sick, like a sick shirt. And like, not just for the hemp, you know, it's actually like a sick design as well. And I don't have much like colors like this, I guess. Like it's a different, it's just something more unique. And I can already feel that like hemp texture. It's like, this is gonna be a very nice like summer, fall, like wind all around shirt, because it's like heavy but like breathable, and it can also be like light, soft, right? We made this garment with cottonized hemp, a unique blend of cotton and hemp that requires less water, fewer pesticides, blah, blah, blah. Better for the environment, of course. You don't already know, the hemp game is where it's at. Everything's gonna be hemp soon, trust me. That's my market. That's what I'm gonna be doing. So we got that little Levi's with a little registered trademark logo there. Kind of nice, nice little embroidery stitching. I don't think I've seen it in person. I think I only have some pants that are Levi's. No like other garments or apparel. What else can I say? Got the standard buttons, Levi's. Smell that natural like cotton hemp blend. Yeah, everything's gonna be hemp for sure. It's the best quality. Like, it even gets softer as you wash it. It's already like so soft, but it's like, cause it's got like this like brittle feel to it. But that's the thing about hemp, is like it's brittle, but then it just gets softer over time. It'll never rip. It's so strong. This thing will literally last me longer than a lifetime. Like, this will last multiple lifetimes, stronger than any kind of like cotton, because it's hemp and it's antibacterial. Odor resistant, all those like good things, you know. It's just literally the best fabric in the world, and it's very nice Starfruit, like the blue and yellow. Got a nice collar. It's not like a giant collar, it's just a nice smaller one. I'll have to try it on. San Francisco, California, standard fit. Looks perfect though. Looks like it'll be like a nice loose fit. That's what I love. So I'm gonna try that on a few, show you. Next, this was in the women's section. But like, the thing about Sense is I think they just put stuff where they think people will want it. Like, just because it was purple, it went into the women's section. Same with the cause shirt I got, but the thing is, they're men's. And I'm pretty sure this looks like men's too. Even the fit, like, by the look of it and everything. Like, they even have like the fit of everything. On the website, even the description of the fit, it just seemed like it's men's fitting. So we will find out today to see. I got myself a Carhartt. I don't know if is it work in progress? It definitely is. Yeah, Carhartt work in progress. Is it all work in progress? I don't even know. I'm new to Carhartt, but I really love it so far. It's such a fire brand. Carhartt work in progress long sleeve Vista t-shirt in dark iris. Been really digging the iris color lately. Like all these purples, so nice. Like berry, iris. Like I think that's like my moving on to my new favorite color from blue. Like I'm shifting. I was red when I was a kid. I was crazy aggressive, and I chilled out with blue. Found my like inner like indigo child, Now I'm like shifting to purple, and yeah, so Vista t-shirt, large, dark iris. It says large /S. Does that mean large for men's and small for women's? I don't know. Organic cotton, you know, that's what I like. I'm all about that. I'm trying to be good for the environment. All these people say I'm spending my money on blah, blah, blah. Well, you know what? I prefer this kind of shit. This is what I want. I wish Supreme did this. You know, they cost so much. It should be like 100% organic cotton, handmade, fair trade. So we unfold this, and this is definitely a large. I mean, this is definitely a men's. Jeez, I'm getting all my thoughts mixed up. I'll even like search up the code online because I couldn't. I don't think I tried. I don't know. I'll search up the code online just to see like what it's listed as at the Carhartt website or wherever, to see actually if it's men or women's. It smells nice though. Like it just smells like a clothing store, kinda. With like some like extra kind of weird like material smell to it or something. It's kind of like I get like some sweet odors. Not even sweet. I don't even know. There's some like white spots on it, which is kind of lame. Maybe it was a return, or just like factory stuff. Some white marks on it. Maybe it's just from being folded with like dirt sitting in it or whatever. But it looks so fire. I'll have to try this on too. But it looks like super fire. It's like huge too. So it's definitely not woman's. And it was in the woman's section, but it was on sale. I want to try some Carhartt apparel and saw this long sleeve. I've been really digging the long sleeves lately. I forget what else I saw. I don't know what made me go on to this one. I think it was on a different website for like full price or something. I don't even know. Then the last item, I was so happy about this top because even like working for Nike, I wouldn't even get like this kind of good at discounts. Like this shit was like 60-70% off. Like it was like 25 bucks for a pair of sweatpants. That's fire. Maybe they're a return too. Look, the tag looks kind of sketchy on here. It's all like messed with. Oh well. Sorry for covering you my. I got these because I have the sweater colorway. I got it when I was working at Nike. I got it from there. You can see it in my most recent Nike shopping haul. I think I have the sweater in. So it's like this Pamplona purple colorway, and I also have the Cause North Face jumpsuit in the same color. And I'm really hoping that these sweatpants actually fit normal. So I even had to go return the blue ones I got in the recent haul too because they fit like shit and I needed money too. So yeah, the store smells weird. I think that's just like the smell of their store. It just smells like heavy duty like clothing. Or like their warehouse. We got a button pocket at the back. I didn't know they had buttons. Maybe that's a new thing. What kind of button is this? Mild YKK. Oh. I never knew they had buttons. So yeah, men's, medium, made in India. Taper, regular fit. I'll have to try them on because Nike's fitting is so whack. Like Nike's terrible, especially for their apparel. Like their cheaper apparel, it's actually like horrible fitting. Like it'll be so tight and just like so uncomfortable. So hopefully these ones are decent. Usually like the classic fleece, like with the full Nike and the swoosh, usually is better fitting. Like the ones just with the swoosh that they sell like at the factory outlets and stuff are trash. Like they'll fall apart and like they won't even last you a year, and they're the tightest things ever. Like the sizing is not right at all for those. That's why I prefer these ones. They're better quality, they're a bit more expensive, but can't go wrong if you get them on sale like this. So yeah, gonna try them on now and see how it goes. Oh, it's huge. Yeah, it's not woman's at all. Actually, the sleeves are short. But that's why this is a sick fit though, because it's like long on the torso, but then the sleeves are perfect. This could have been woman's actually, just because the sleeves are so short and like the shoulders are low. Or yeah, that's how woman's is supposed to be. The shoulders are low, I think, because there's titties, so it's like this, right? Because then it fits on your shoulder better if the titties are out. I don't know, man. It's so fire, though. I really want to figure out if it's men or women's. Like, the sleeves compared to the length is whack proportion. That's what I think it's women's. And then it has, like, this, like, weird poof around the collars. Maybe it's just fitted like that. I think it's fire, though. I think it's sick. So nice. I could wear it if it's... Ooh. What's the temperature, man? Okay, Google, what's the temperature tonight? Or something. Oh, that's fire. Damn. I can even wear this tonight. This is fire, bro. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is my new favorite shirt. New favorite summer shirt. And it fits me like perfect. And it's not as annoying as like other dress shirts. Like it's like loose. Like it feels like a normal t-shirt just with like a little bit of a collar on it. That's fire, bro. Since I'm skinny, the collar kind of like hides my skinny ass collar. Like freaking hides my anorexia. So I at least look like... I look better. I look more dapper, you know? Pretty fresh. What do you think, Maya? You like them? Pretty fresh. Yay! Damn. So I have 2 Pamplona purple suits. I'll be switching them in and out. So it'll be like, this is like my one I can get dirty, you know, my grungy one, go on stage for concerts or get crazy in them, drinking or doing stuff, and then my other one will be for like laying back, you know, for really like fancy, you know. So I got it's like the same tracksuit, different branding, a little bit different styles and colorways, but same idea, same color style, and then, you know, I can use it for 2 different things still. Fire. They're so comfy. Like if you really love something, you know, you just stick with what you know. Stick with the good stuff. Experiment a little bit. A little bit experimenting is not